Welcome. Today we're sharing about the Torrin neighborhood, a subdivision of homes currently under construction by Richmond American Homes. This new neighborhood is located just south of Magic Mountain Parkway and east of Adventure Avenue near Magic Mountain in Valencia, California. This video is presenting compliments of your local realtors and brokers, Matt and Ray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Similar to the popular Redmond homes located just across the street, these 2- and 3-story detached homes are sleek, modern, and attractive. Built for convenience, these Torrin homes come in 4 different models, sized from approximately 1,500 to 2,080 square feet. Each home has 3 or 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, a laundry room, a 2-car garage, and roof-mounted solar panels. The main interior living space is open to the kitchen, making the home spacious and inviting. Depending on the model and floor plan, some homes come with either a study or a 4th bedroom and bathroom situated on the ground floor. All homes come with a small outdoor patio or balcony, and the 3-story homes have 2 balconies. Residents enjoy outstanding shared amenities at the nearby Confluence Park. There's swimming pools, a hot tub, lounge area, parks, trails, and so much more. There are also park areas situated throughout the community. Keep in mind there is a monthly HOA fee and an annual mill roofs. If you are interested in buying a home in Torrin or any new development, it's important to take us with you when visiting for the first time. Why? Because if you sign in at the sales office without us, we won't be able to represent you with your purchase. We know all the right questions to ask to get the answers you need to make accurate and informed decisions. Those interested in learning about schools, local conveniences, and real estate listings are welcome to see the full report on our website by clicking on the link in the description. As always, we appreciate the opportunity to share about the homes and neighborhoods we serve. Have a good day. Bye now.